Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I will be showing you guys how to get the latest version of RetroArch running on your PSP or PSP Go. So this works on any PSP as long as you have custom firmware installed. I did make a video on this maybe a year ago, but it's kind of outdated now and there's actually a brand new version. So I will be showing you how to install that and how to get some games running. So what you guys want to do is scroll over, make sure you go over to USB connection, press X, connect your PSP to your PC, and I will show you guys what to do next. So I will link RetroArch in the description of this video. All you guys want to do is make sure you're over on the downloads tab and you want to scroll down, and we're just looking for PlayStation Portable or PSP. So here it is. All we want to do is just click on download and it's going to download the RetroArch zip file for us. Go to your PC's downloads folder and find RetroArch in there, so right click the zip file and then select extract to RetroArch. This is just going to put it into a file folder, and we also need to copy across some games. So if we double click on the file and go into cores, these are all of the games that we can play. So we've got NES emulators in here, we've got Game Boy Advance, we've got Pico Drive, which is like Sega Master System, we've got NES, we've got SNES, Temp Game Boy Advance. There's a few emulators in here, so there's a few pretty good games you can play. Right here I've got an SNES game, this one right here, Contra Free. So what I'm going to do is just put it into the RetroArch folder and then right click, new folder, and just call it SNES. And then obviously if you copy across anything else like Game Boy Advance, you call it GBA, for example. So now we've got our ROM. You can add as many ROMs for as different consoles as you want, as long as they are listed here in the cores section. So now what we need to do is make sure our PSP is connected, and we're going to drag and drop the RetroArch folder into the game folder. So just wait for it to copy across, it shouldn't take too long, and then when it's done we can disconnect our PSP from our PC, and then I will show you guys how to start up RetroArch and how to get the games running. Okay, so now we're back on our PSP. Let's just press circle to close off this message, and then let's just go and find a RetroArch emulator on our memory card. So if we scroll down and just click X on memory stick, we should be able to find it, and here it is. Make sure we have got custom firmware running, so I just need to check mine's running actually. I'm just going to launch my Pro custom firmware quickly. And now once that is done, we should be able to launch up the emulator without any problems. So let me just find it real quick. So here it is, RetroArch. Let's just press X to go and launch it. So this is what the menu looks like of version 1.7.6. As you can see, it still has the classic design on the PSPs, but what we want to do is go to load core and just press on circle, and we're looking for the core that matches our game. So we need to find a SNES emulator. I think we're going to use maybe SNES 9X 2005 Plus, so let's just press circle on this one. Then it's just going to load into the core, and then once it loads we will be able to open up our ROM, and then hopefully it will work. So let's go to load content. You will see that your core is loaded down here at the bottom. Press circle on load content. And then if you go to the top and press circle on parent directory, it will bring you to your kind of like RetroArch folder, and now we can find our SNES folder, press circle, and now we can find Contra, our game, and just press circle to run it. Now we can choose our core. Obviously we're going to choose the top one, that's the one we've got running right now. So just press on circle and your game should actually load up. So I haven't really tested these, but apparently they do play pretty well at full speed with like full working sound and everything like that. I haven't tested Game Boy Advance either, but apparently that is supposed to be quite good as well. Now I'm not sure if this game has copyrighted audio, so I won't be playing it, but let's just check out some quick gameplay just to make sure everything works. And then here we go guys, we're in the game. Seems to be running okay. Maybe it is a bit slow, I'm not too sure, but it looks like we're running it okay. So yeah, let's just test out some quick gameplay I guess. I'm not sure if this is actually better than the other SNES emulator. It could possibly be better, it might be a bit worse, who actually knows. But if you guys want to exit RetroArch, you can just press the home button and then just quit the emulator. So that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to make a really quick setup guide. It is the same when launching any game. You just do exactly the same thing, even if it's for a different core. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.